It's a recent acquisition of mine, and you know, I'm trying to do some easy and quick mods to this car. One mod that you've already seen is the Alpine stereo with CarPlay, and I've also got a reversing camera installed on it, which is a godsend. But the next thing I wanted to do was this quick shift, or not quick shift, but this gear stick. I'm just wondering whether I could improve the driving experience of the gear change. And one of the quick and cheap things I discovered on the internet that we could do is actually change this for a short shifter. So here I've actually bought a short shifter, and I actually bought it from Amazon, and quite an interesting kit. I mean, it's not very expensive. Let me see if I can show you. It's got some bits and pieces in there. Well, more importantly, I'm looking to replace the shifter underneath here, and I've just lifted it up, this thing here, with let me see if I can open this packet up. It is sealed, so you can see. Oh dear, there you go, to one of these short shifters. And how this mechanism works is this actual length of the pivot that goes down to the gear selector is longer, effectively giving you the impact or the effect of a short shifter, meaning it should shift in a shorter gear. Now, I thought I would film this. This was like $34 off Amazon. You can get a complete Porsche short shifter kit for about $600, and you can get some of these kits for about $200. But amazingly, this is quite a nice piece of kit. Looks pretty good for $34 off Amazon. So I went with the Amazon one. You get a couple of bits in here which I've read up on the internet on how to actually make this work. I'm hoping it does work the way I want it to work. Anyway, is there any difference here? I'm not 100% sure, but it looks exactly the same as the more expensive ones. So without further ado, I wanted to show you to this. Now, one thing I wanted to do before I got into the video, I actually had a quick look in here, and the first thing you need to do, it's really simple. I didn't know how difficult it was going to be. You have to take this center console out. So this is a 996 Gen 2, just for those of you who need to know, 2002 model. The first thing is you pop this up, and it just pops out. And somebody's had it up before. I can see instead of clips, it's got tie straps holding the gear shifter gator in place. I probably have to do the same thing. But in terms of getting this out, it wasn't a difficult process. So let me get the camera and I'll show you. Oh, actually, I've got an overhead shot here. So from the overhead shot, there was the ashtray, which just pops out. And just to let you know, there was 2 screws in here, the center console, 2 screws here. This popped out. You actually just unplug the cables here. When this popped out, there was a screw here, and there was a screw at the front here, just here. And then as you lift the console, there was a center plate down here which you had to unscrew like that. So this center plate comes out, and then there's a screw over here which, if I can find it, oh yeah, the coin holder. If you've seen it before, the coin holder slides in here. You slide the coin holder out, and there's a screw there. And then there's 2 more screws on the side, and these panels clip off like so. There was a couple of screws on each side, and really, from what I can see, this should be ready to go. And it just lifts out, and hopefully, and I haven't pulled it out before now, so this is happening real time. I'm not sure what happens there. I wonder whether you have to take this off. Probably have to take this off actually, which means, what does that mean? Don't know what it means, but let me oh dear, there is, let me just get, this might be the ticket. Not too big, that was 6mm. I'll tell you what mil it is in a minute. 5mm. A 5mm Allen. So if you can see, there's an Allen key here, which I'm guessing is holding the gear shifter on. Yep. So I'm going to loosen this a bit more. And there we go. She's off. Okay, 5mm. So now, theory goes, I should be able to take this out. Oops, what have I got here? Oh, there's a cable here for a lock or a light. There we go. Let's remember that one. I understand, just slightly fiddly to get it on that side. Pull that back down. There we have it. One console out. Oops. Go and give the cash to the birds. Looks like somebody's been here before. Money there. There's some more money down here. Right. So I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm bots, but so I think we've got to move this out of the way, get this cap up underneath. Hope you're watching this. There we go. You can see where the cables join. So this is where the linkage is, and this is a little bit busted. I think it is busted actually. So there we go. That's back in that place. I need to take this box out. So it's 10mm, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I need to disconnect the cables here, which I don't know how to do. But not to worry. Let me get the
in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks.
But I do need to wonder whether I should just fit it in here. Might be easier. Okay. So maybe you can see this. Should I take it out? Not sure. Anyway, so there's a clip here we have to take out, and these things here. Now these things apparently we have to cut out. Awesome. So this has come out. That's what you can see. That's what we're going to be replacing. In the meantime, I'm just going to get the rest of this thing out.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits.
Yep. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time.
Just watch out that you check if it's a right hand drive or left hand drive, because it's leaning more towards me now, which I don't mind actually. It's quite good. I mean, reverse works. I think because on the right hand drive car it bends that way a little bit. Anyway, I don't mind. Okay, so I'm taking this back out again because this piece here is bent that way, and on the original one it was bent this way, and when I put the gear stick on, as you can see, it was actually leaning too much this way. So what I've realized, you can actually take these two nuts off, slide it out from underneath and flip this one around, and it'll put the gear stick in the right place. So let me do that and I'll show you the difference. Okay, all back together now, and as you can see, the gear lever is vertical, having changed that upright or lever, and first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, reverse. Perfect. Now let's take it for a test drive, I think. So first gear seems to be okay. Let's get this out. What I will say, for $35, you know, it's already feeling good while it was stood still. Wow. Just putting it into second gear there, it was really nice and notchy. That is really, really defined. I liked it already. I've not even got out of the road here. So, off Amazon, I just think it makes the car feel more tight. Wow, that is amazing. It's just very defined and very certain when it goes into gear. Before, it was like a little bit wishy-washy, but it is the original shifter in there from new. And I'm guessing, I mean, this car's done 140,000 miles, so I'm guessing that it was worn out, because the gear feeling is just amazing. Oh wow, I do like this. It's sort of transformed the car a lot. It really has. First to second, that is really nice. Second to third, and it's vertical as well. Third to fourth, perfect. There's just no play in it whatsoever. Fourth to fifth, wow, that is just awesome. And then fifth to sixth, just totally just notches in like, I don't know, it just really just notches in. There's just no play. It just feels really confident to use the gear. It feels like it's going into a slot. It's not, because it's pulling the cables for the gear, but it's just really, really notchy. There's absolutely no play whatsoever. Really, really sporty feel. You do like, it just feels good to drive it, to be honest with you. It's really, really nice. Makes you want to get in and drive it. This is what stick shift driving is about. This is the feeling you want. This is how it's got to be. Oh my God. If you buy stick shift, this is how you should sort of pull it together. This is awesome. Awesome. Anyway, this is Mickey, Mr. India. Quick shifter installed. Awesome. Catch you on the next video.